Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. The UCANBE Eyeshadow Palette with 15 PCs brushes makeup set. This product has been making waves in the beauty community, and we're here to find out if it truly lives up to the hype. Stick around as we delve into the details of this fantastic Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. Let's kick things off with an overview of the UCANBE Eyeshadow Palette. This palette offers an astonishing 86 pigmented eyeshadow colors, including smooth mattes and vibrant shimmers. And it doesn't stop there. It also comes with 15 professional brushes, making it an all-in-one beauty kit. What sets this palette apart is its incredible quality. The pigments are top-notch, ensuring vivid and long-lasting eye makeup. It's suitable for all skin tones and is cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Whether you're going for a natural daytime look or a captivating evening look, this palette has you covered. One of the key features of this eyeshadow palette is its blendability. The matte and shimmer shades are easy to layer and blend, giving you the creative freedom to experiment with various looks. Plus, it's sweat-proof and waterproof, so your makeup stays flawless all day long, without smudging or fading. The UCANBE Eyeshadow Palette is not just for makeup artists. It's perfect for makeup beginners too. With a wide range of colors and versatile brushes, it's ideal for any occasion, from everyday wear to special events like Halloween, birthdays, weddings, and more. It can even make for a fantastic gift. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what customers have to say about this palette. It's received a remarkable 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, with customers praising its pigmentation, value for money, and ease of use. Some even mentioned that it's perfect for travel. So, there you have it, folks. The UCANBE Eyeshadow Palette with 15 PCs brushes makeup set is undoubtedly a game changer in the world of makeup. With its wide range of colors, quality, blendability, and versatility, it's a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. If you're looking to add some vibrant shades to your collection, this Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette won't disappoint. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab yours today. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. This has been Product Critique, signing off.